Alright, so to put this back together, we got a few things going on. So gotta take off the shift knob on the boot. And normally you'd unscrew this, but mine broke. I don't know if you can see right here, these screws right here. Sticks like to break really easily. So you got these little clips back here, you just pull them all out. Goes this way. So this is a T10. I'll go ahead and shove this back in here. Just like that. So in case you didn't know, this was actually broken on this car, and I took this one from the other car, and that's the whole reason why I had to take this out and switch it. And I, you know, had it cleaned. A cleaning lady over here, and that way this just looks nicer while it's in. So to the little LED in here for those smoker people who like to smoke. You got a little LED in there that tells you where to hold your cigarette, which is, yeah, gross. In here, this one's really tight, so once you get it in, top side first, and clip in. If I can get it to line up, there we go. And then this one, top side first, flip. Normally it gets screwed in, like I said, but I broke the little piece. I don't even know how that happened actually. It kind of just was broke one day.
How do you even put it in? That's not how you put it in. Ooh, look at that, smooth. Shifts Kanabi. Why does it come off so easy? Oh, there it goes.
To push on. And then realize that you forgot to pull the connectors out for the HVAC. The 4 connectors for this.
Wait, what can't you just...
Yeah, but you don't want to pull on them too hard because you might break them. Alright, well, since I have the magic of YouTube, you know, because I make videos, I can do the YouTube magic thingy where all of this just comes off again because I have to get those connectors. So let's do it. Why didn't it work? Oh, you have to do the YouTube magic too. 3, 2, 1. And look at that, we got all that off. So now let's not be stupid and get the 4 connectors right here. Should be 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we'll hold these right here where the HVAC goes. Alright, and we're gonna snap again and all be there. Ready, set, go.
Oh.
We'll do it at the same time. Ready, Ashley? Ready, set. And look at that. Everything's back except the knob.
Kanabi Wabi. Oh. Maybe. Yeah, now it fits.
Push it until that locking piece goes in. There you go.
Get in there, you whore.
And we even got the trim pieces on top in and the vents. So now it's really looking like a car, huh?
Yeah.
Alright, well here's another driving my point of view video. But this time we're doing it in the BMW.
Why is it so high in the front?
Squatted. Every bump feels like we're hitting a pothole, even if it's a little bump. So these train tracks are like absolute hell. These train tracks are so bad. Ready to take some back roads? Oh, shit. Forgot about this turn. shaky in the steering wheel. What do you say we go again? But this time the bottom road? We'll pull into the strip club parking lot to turn around. What do you say we get some champagne and we go there one day?
No, that strip club is so dirty.
How do you know?
Everyone says it. The girls there are just gross. Like, the whole thing is just dirty.
Open at 2 p.m. Shows daily.
Not a strip club, it's a gentleman's club.
I always rewatch these videos and the car just feels so fast when you're driving it, and then you watch the video and you're like,
It looks so
yeah, it looks so slow. I realize like we're so jaded by seeing these YouTubers with like 700 horsepower cars, like as their like daily commute and stuff. It makes our cars look so slow, and like this is like so like fun. Like I don't need 700 horsepower to have this much fun. Not at all. Woo! You know what, the scariest thing is a deer. Out of everything I could be scared of, a deer is the scariest. Yeah, we're gonna go that way. We're gonna go south. I like how Illinois is like the United States. Like, when you go south, it gets south. When you go north, it gets city. If you go too far north, then it's the south again. You gonna start singing Country Road? That's the only part anyone knows.
Except for, you know, the people who grew up with it.
Here, I'll put a clip in right now. I went to a concert and they played that in between bands, just as like background music, and everybody sang it. Here, let's go into this gas station real quick. I'm thirsty. With the GoPro on my face.